हाय 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 हाय। यार मैं इतना लेट तो नहीं हूँ, 2 मिनट कैसे पूरे हो गए भाई। हाय 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 हाय, गुड इवनिंग टीचर्स, गुड इवनिंग माल्या मैम, गुड इवनिंग प्रीति मैम, हाय टीचर्स, हाय तरुण, हाय यश, हाय अनुपमा, हाय अर्श, हाय कृष्णा, हाय अपूर्व, हाय आदित्य, हाय समृद्धि, हाय संजीवनी, हाय अपर्णा। Yeah. Yash, how are you? I'm definitely good. Arey, Kevin, third social sciences session from Kevin. I like no, I have no words. इतना मैं भी नहीं पढ़ती थी Kevin. Shruti, hi, new to class. Tarun, I hope you like it. Aparna, are you new on Vedantu's platform? अपर्णा इतना भी न्यू नहीं हूँ यार, अभी तो 4 महीने हो चुके हैं अपर्णा मेरे को. There are no classes this week. Hi ma'am, I'm back. Hi Hiranya. Hi Shruti, back. Aparna. Ma'am, there are no classes this week, because there are vacations this week. No, छुट्टी चल रही है. Ma'am, please tell your schedule. Yash, what schedule, beta? Hi, hi, Madhan. Hi, Nidhi. Hi, Mehek. Hi, Shivam. Hi, Mehfooz. Hi, Mau. अरे सारे सारे वापस आ गए यार. Hi, Ishita. Good evening. Hi, Arsh. I'm from Uttarakhand, Arsh. Hi, Shivam. I always watch your replays, your live session. Oh, Yash. लाइव सेशन यस, क्लास 10th का. यार देखो 10th ई और 10th है, ऐसा तो मेरे को शेड्यूल याद नहीं है बिकॉज वी गेट द कैलेंडर. बट यू टेल मी ओवर टेलीग्राम, आई विल टेल यू, राइट. आई एम वीक इन सोशल साइंसेज. अरे विरार, सोशल साइंस तो इतना मस्त सब्जेक्ट है यार. अभी किल करते विरारक्ष, विल किल द सब्जेक्ट. Do you take long-term batches? Mehak, yes, I do take long-term batches. Right now, ma'am, you are in Uttarakhand. Yes, people, I am in Uttarakhand. Hi, Vani. Shreya, let's do it. Yes, I was about to say, let's do it. Let's rock it. Let's kill it. Vaibhav, new to your class. Vaibhav, I hope you like, I hope you will like it. Ma'am, Mathan is my friend. Oh, that's great. Telegram ID देते हैं बेटा सेशन के लास्ट में, ठीक है? Okay. Hi Yamini. Hi Anupama. Hi B2K. Oops. Okay. Chalo people. So we have Malia ma'am and Preeti ma'am as our class teachers for today's session, and both the teachers are going to guide you in the entire roller coaster journey. वैसे this journey is easy, huh? Resources in development मतलब it is not at all a difficult chapter. Must interesting chapter है बड़ा. कुछ भी नहीं है करने को इसमें, right? So all the way I feel you will find the chapter good. Okay, chalo. Let us start. What are resources? See, when it comes that what are resources? What do you actually call our resources? Okay, see, everything in this environment is our resource. You going to your friend asking for a pen, your friend gives you the pen. He is a resource for you because he helped you. Yes, so everything that you are using or that can help you is actually our resource. वो सारी चीज क्या है? They are your resources. But conditions भी तो होंगी, right? There are certain conditions as well. First of all, there are 3 conditions actually, right? A resource should be technologically accessible. What do you mean by technologically accessible? Matlab, if we are using a resource, we should have the technology to access it. Suppose you have a resource in abundance, but you don't have the technology. No, क्या कर लोगे? बैठे रहोगे, right? So when you have the resource, you should have the technology as well. Elon Musk, our man, he is planning to make colony on moon. Why? Because he has the technology. He is developing the technology. No, he has the money for it, right? So resource can become a resource when you have the technology to access that resource. Second, it should be economically feasible, right? Suppose तुम्हें ना, you found a gold ore, right? You found a gold ore. अब extraction of gold mein money will be required, right? So you extracted the gold and in all it costed you 5 crore rupees. ठीक है, 5 crore rupees costing आया in the extraction of that gold. But जो gold निकला, it was only of 2 crore rupees. भैया, this is a big loss, right? Because the money that was spent over the extraction was 5 crore and the value of gold was only 2 crore. ये तो सिर्फ साफ साफ लॉस है. This is a loss, right? ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, no? It should be economically feasible, economically beneficial and culturally acceptable. Culturally acceptable. देखो, resource should not be a loss for human being, right? It should not be a loss for human being. Uranium, right? If you are getting uranium, use it in a power plant, not in a bomb, right? If you will use it in a power plant for electricity generation, for power generation, then it is a resource. But if you will make a bomb out of it for destruction, it is not a resource. No one will accept it, right? So the resource should be culturally acceptable, right? अच्छा, अब क्या है देखो, resources, they are a gift of nature, aren't they? है ना? Nature gives us the resource like gold ores, metal ore, mineral ore, your sunlight, water, land, everything is gifted by nature, right? So nature ultimately gives us the resource, and if we want to use those resources though, we have to interact with nature. हमें ना, we have to talk with nature, we have to tell nature that nature, we will not exploit you. We will use your resources, but we will not exploit you. When you will have that interaction with the nature, then the nature will be like, okay bro, if you're not going to exploit me, then you can use the resources. ठीक है? Okay. देखो एक question है. Do you think that resources are the free gifts of nature as assumed by many? Let us do a yes no hotspot. What do you think? Is are resources a free gift of nature? And your time starts now. Come on, 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 come on. Either you have to click on yes or you have to click on no. And please, those who are new to the class, ये ना मेरे को ऐसा बीच बीच में ऐसा गाने का ना आदत सही है, तो I keep on doing this, right? Come on, people, 91% only. Either yes or no. Just want your suggestion. Chalo. Oops, everyone give their suggestion. That's great. Okay, 71% are saying yes, they are a free gift of nature. 28 are saying no, they are not. People, as the chapter proceeds, you will get your answer. In the end, I'll ask you again and then I'll tell you what the right answer is. So this is a suspense, but if you will be there, the suspense will be cleared. चलो, अब आते हैं on types of resources. ठीक है? How many types of resources are there? देखो, resources, they are classified on the, you might be knowing, on the basis of origin, then on the basis of exhaustibility, then on the basis of ownership, and then on the basis of development. What are these classification? I'll tell you. ठीक है? So first of all, we classify resources on the basis of origin. Origin सबको पता है ना? How they originated, right? So there are two types of resources: abiotic resources and biotic resources. As the name implies, ठीक है? जैसा तुम्हें name से ही पता चल रहा है, abiotic, that is how think that how these resources might have originated, right? So when you are talking of abiotic, that is your non-living. Biotic is your living. All of you know na, bio means life. So anything that has bio in the name, that is your living thing, right? So biotic resources are the living resources which have life, like human beings, flora, fauna, cattle, fishery, all are your biotic resources. Abiotic resources, resources which don't have any life, right? Which are composed of the non-living things like your rocks, your metal, rock wood, Dwayne Johnson नहीं, rock, पत्थर, right? Those rocks, they are your non-renewable abiotic resources, right? Okay. उसके बाद on the basis of exhaustibility. Exhaustibility is how you use them. At what time will they get finished, right? So on the basis of exhaustibility, you have two types of resources, renewable and non-renewable resources. अरे यार इसमें क्विज बड़ी देर में आ रही है, सॉरी. Right? Okay. So renewable resources are those resources which can be renewed or reproduced by physical, chemical, mechanical, by any process. You can renew those resources. You can make a new resource out of it, like your paper. Renewable hai na, right? So all your dekho, water, forest, wildlife, solar energy, wind energy, they are your renewable resource. Use karo, khatam nahi ho raha, right? They'll never end. After that you have non-renewable resource. Non-renewable resource na aisa nahi hai that they will never get renewed. They will get renewed, people, but it will take billions and billions of year in their renovation. और तब तक अपन लोग तो चल देंगे ना, मतलब हमारी तो यार कितनी पुश्तें आकर के चली जाएंगी, राइट? सो दे विल गेट रीन्यूड, बट इट विल टेक बिलियंस एंड बिलियंस ऑफ ईयर इन देयर रेनोवेशन, एंड दैट इज व्हाई वी ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, we will not be there to witness their renovation, their renewability, and that is why we call them non-renewable resources. Example are your petrol, natural gas, oil, metal, fossil fuels, everything, right? Once they'll get exhausted, तुम्हें पता है millions of years लग जाएंगे यार renovation में, right? अच्छा, renewable resource, no, you can see the line that they are divided into continuous and flow resources, right? Renewable resource, they are divided into continuous and flow resource. Continuous resources are the resources which will always exist, right? Which will always and everywhere exist. वो होते हैं continuous resource which exist everywhere and always, right? Flow resources are, they are in abundance, बहुत ढेर सारे हैं, but you'll find them in a certain area only, right? तुम्हें कुछ एरिया में मिलेंगे, like your water, है ना? राजस्थान में you will not find abundance of water, right? Water is a flow resource, right? Wind, Rajasthan, Gujarat में you will find abundance of wind, उत्तराखंड में नहीं मिलेगी इतनी. So it is a flow resource, right? So they are found in certain reasons. Then you have on the basis of ownership. Ownership के basis में the first one are your individual resources. Individual resources like your house, like your land, like your property, like your mobile phone, like your water bottle. They are individual resources which are privately owned by a person. ठीक है? Community resources, they are owned by a community, right? Like in your society you have a swimming pool, right? Or in your society you have a playground, right? You have a burial ground in your society, and they are owned by every person in the society, है ना? Whosoever can come and play there, can enjoy there. So they are your community owned resources. उसके बाद आते हैं नेशनल रिसोर्सेज. अच्छा, तुम्हें एक बात बता देती हूँ, एवरी रिसोर्स इन अ कंट्री is a national resource. Individual resources are also national resource. ठीक है? This mobile phone, it belongs to me, right? But if the government comes and they are like, Mahima, we doubt you, we believe that your phone has some secret information, come on, give your phone to us, I have to give it to them, right? If they ask for my land, if they are like, Mahima, we need your land for some construction, I have to give my land to the government, right? So for national benefit, they can use any resource, they will compensate for it, पैसा मिलेगा उसके बदले, right? अच्छा, उसके अलावा your roadways, railways, everything is a national resource. In fact, oceans, If your country is sharing boundary with oceans, then up till 12 nautical miles or 22.3 kilometer, that ocean also belongs to you. Like Indian Ocean belongs to us up till 22.3 kilometer. ठीक है. International resources. International resources, they don't belong to any nation, right? They don't belong to any nation. So there are various communities, there are various agencies who are looking after those resources. They are your international resources. Like ocean beyond 200 kilometer. ठीक है. 22.3 किलोमीटर तक it is a national resource. 22.3 से 200 तक it is not owned by anyone, right? The country can claim its ownership, पर कंप्लीट ओनरशिप नहीं है. आफ्टर 200 किलोमीटर इट डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू एनी पर्टिकुलर वन, इट बिलोंग्स टू एवरीवन, राइट? ओके. लास्ट क्लासिफिकेशन है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ डेवलपमेंट. डेवलपमेंट के बेसिस में यू हैव 4 टाइप्स ऑफ रिसोर्सेज: पोटेंशियल, स्टॉक, डेवलपमेंट एंड रिजर्व. What are your potential resources? देखो people, PTM होती है स्कूल में. You guys go to the PTM and the teacher is like, this guy, he has a lots of potential. He has a lots of brain, but he does not concentrate. All his mind is towards games and sports. He does not concentrate in studies, right? Those are your potential resources. When the resources, right, when the resources, they have the, they can satisfy the needs of human beings, right? They are intelligent enough to satisfy the needs of human beings, but they are very costly and we are not able to use it. जैसे तुम्हें एग्जांपल देती हूँ, राजस्थान एंड गुजरात, दे हैव, मतलब ना बहुत अच्छी विंड चलती है वहां पर, राइट? एंड इन दोज एरियाज विंड मिल्स कुड बी एस्टैब्लिश्ड, but establishing windmill is a very costly affair. So we have the power to establish a windmill. We have wind in our area, but we don't have the money to establish the windmill. That is your potential resource. ठीक है. Stock resource. Stock resource क्या होते हैं? राइट, हाँ ठीक है, राइट. पोटेंशियल के बाद पहले मैं बताऊंगी डेवलपमेंट, राइट? सो डेवलपमेंट रिसोर्सेज आर दोज रिसोर्सेज, द क्वालिटी एंड द क्वांटिटी ऑफ दीज रिसोर्सेज इज डिटरमाइंड एंड वी आर यूजिंग दोज रिसोर्सेज. ठीक है. हमें पता है दैट इन हाउ मच क्वांटिटी दीज रिसोर्सेज आर अवेलेबल, व्हाट इज द क्वालिटी, एंड वी आर एट प्रेजेंट यूजिंग दोज रिसोर्सेज. थर्ड आते हैं स्टॉक रिसोर्सेज. स्टॉक रिसोर्सेज क्या होते हैं? ये ना बड़े अमेजिंग रिसोर्स है. स्टॉक रिसोर्स आर दोज रिसोर्सेज व्हिच हैव द कंप्लीट पोटेंशियल टू सेटिस्फाई द नीड्स, बट वी ह्यूमन, आवर ब्रेन हैज नॉट डेवलप्ड द टेक्नोलॉजी टू यूज दोज रिसोर्सेज. ठीक है. मतलब रिसोर्सेज तो आर इन अबंडेंस, they can satisfy our needs, but this small human brain has not developed the technology to use those resources. जैसे तुम्हें पता है अर्थ में 97% of water is there, है ना? If you can, water is made up of H2O, है ना? H2O molecule से water is made. By chance, if you have the technology to separate hydrogen and oxygen from water, then that hydrogen can be used for atomic energy. But to hell no, we don't have the technology to separate it. We don't have the technology to do it, right? Last वाले हैं reserve resource. Reserve resource are your saving. जैसे ना you keep money in bank, right? Similarly are your reserve resource. They are the money that is kept in bank. ठीक है. So yeah, these resources are there, abundance में they are there, but we have kept those resources for future generation, right? So those resources, they are kept for your future generation, right? We are not using them right now, क्योंकि ऐसा ना बच्चों का, मतलब हमारी आगे की जनरेशन का भी तो सोचना पड़ता है, right? Development of resources. I promise after this you have the quiz, हाँ? Promise. ठीक है. So resources are vital, vital like important, just like your vitamins. They say vitamins are important for your body. No, similarly, resources are very important for human survival and for the quality of life as well. No, suppose तुमने Ferrari खरीद ली, you bought a Ferrari अच्छा नहीं कर रही है, you bought a Mercedes, right? Suppose you bought a Mercedes and suddenly earth में पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया, right? Earth Man, the petrol is exhausted. The petrol from earth is exhausted. What is the use of that Mercedes, man? No use, right? So to maintain the quality of life, you need resources. ठीक है. अच्छा, लेकिन क्या हुआ है ना, ह्यूमन बींग्स, देखो, वी टुक रिसोर्सेज एज फ्री गिफ्ट्स. हमने अज्यूम कर लिया दैट रिसोर्सेज आर फ्री गिफ्ट्स ऑफ नेचर एंड इनडिस्क्रिमिनेटली we started using resources and we depleted them. इसका एक फॉर्मूला बनता है, that formula is your दिया, right? DIA, दिया, right? D for depletion, I for indiscriminate exploitation, and A for accumulation. For satisfying our greeds, we depleted the resources. We know that petrol का market में बहुत demand है and it can give us huge amount of money. So what we did, we started using lots of petrol, we started wasting it, right? Indiscriminate exploitation of resources. When you use resources in a high amount, in a high quantity, it leads to environmental degradation, such as your global warming, ozone depletion, environment pollution, land degradation, everything. It happens when you use resources without a second thought. You will do mining. You will dug out the resources from the land. The groundwater will get depleted. Rainfall will get affected. Climate of the country will get changed. And this all will result in degradation. Third is accumulation. देखो होता क्या है ना, always the rich section of the society, they use more resources because they have money. Who can buy a Mercedes or who can buy a Ferrari, right? Who can buy it, right? Of course, the rich section of the society, no, they can buy a car, they can buy a bike, they can buy vehicles, and when they'll buy vehicles, they'll require petrol. So who is wasting petrol? The rich section of the society. It is the rich section of the society where the resources are accumulated and who are wasting the resources, right? ठीक है. अच्छा, so particularly if you want that resources को अच्छे से use करना चाहिए, for that we need a equitable distribution of resources. That is, every person of the earth should have equal access to those resources. And the third thing that we have to take in our mind is sustainable development. It is very important, right? What is sustainable development? Sustainable development says that ठीक है bro, you want to use the resources, use it, कोई problem नहीं है, but शर्तें हैं. शर्तें ये हैं that when you are using the resources, you have to take care of the future generation, you have to take care of the nature, you have to take care of development, right? Sustainable development is a development which takes place without damaging the environment, which takes place without compromising with the needs of future generation. That is sustainable development. Okay, get happy people. Bring a big smile to your face because the most awaited section is here. Bucket up, pull your socks and get ready. मेरा पहला question तुम्हारे लिए है, what are the main factors that determine the creation of a resource? Option A, nature and technology. B, nature and human beings. C, nature, human beings and technology. Or D, technology and human beings. And your time starts now. Buck it up! Okay, so Nidhi, Gaurav, Anupama, Krishnan, Aparna, Tarun, Bharat, Sanjeevni, Ishita, and Priyanshu made it to the fastest finger list. 82% with the right answer, and that is nature, human beings, and technology. Next question, people. Next question, people. Right. So the next question is. Fossil fuels are example of which of the following types of resources? Option A, renewable, B, flow, C, biological, or D, non-renewable. And your time starts now. Okay, Nidhi, B2K, Vaibhav, Shriti, Kevin, Apurv, Sanjeevni, Mehak, Nandini, and Gaurav on the fastest finger list. 82% with the right answer, and that right answer is option C, non-renewable. Right, chalo, next one. On the basis of ownership, plantations can be better considered as which of the following types of resources? Option A, individual, B, community owned, C, national, or D, international. And your time starts now. Okay, so B2K, Nandini, Priyanshu, Bharat, Tarun, Aparna, Apurva, Anupama, Mehfooz, and Hiranya. Only 43% with the right answer. क्या था क्वेश्चन देखो तो जरा. On the basis of ownership, plantations can be considered as which of the following types of resources? Community owned. Because India में क्या है ना, plantations are not maintained by a single person or a single individual. Plantation में you know a large piece of land is required. Most of the time that large piece of land is not owned by a single person. Individual भी आ सकता था वैसे इसमें. I consider that, right? Don't worry, I'll talk about this. Okay, next one. The oceanic resources beyond 200 kilometer of exclusive economic zone can be termed as which of the following types of resources? Option A, individual. Option B, community owned. Option C, national. Or option D, international. And your time has started. Okay. So B2K, Apurva, Nidhi, Aparna, Gaurav, Anupama, Dipanshu, Nandini, Tharun, and Sanjeevni on the fastest finger list. And the right answer is international resource. Chalo people, next one. So the next one is which of the following resource is a non-recyclable resource? Option A, coal. Option B, iron ore. Option C, copper. Or option D, gold. And your time starts now. Okay, so Gaurav, Nidhi, Sanjeevni, Aditya, Bharat, Vaibhav, Tharun, Dipanshu, Mehek, and Nandini out there. 74% of the people answered it correctly, and that is option A, coal. Right. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. अब बात करते हैं रिसोर्स प्लानिंग की. देखो, everything needs a planning, right? Whenever your exams are approaching, you plan out your studies and all. No, ab you are talking of a country like India, right? India is a big country. We have 28 states and 9 union territories in our country, and all the 28 states and 9 union territories have different features. ठीक है, enormous amount of diversity is available in our country. ठीक है, there are regions in our country which have enough amount of resources, but there are regions in our country which have acute shortage of resources. Example, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh. In all these regions, you will find abundance of mineral deposits, abundance of coal deposits, right? Arunachal Pradesh mein, no, nothing you'll find over there, right? Arunachal Pradesh mein you have water resources, but infrastructure is not there. So can you see that country mein at different level, different states have different types of resources. Some states have resources, some states don't have resources, right? So as a country, it is very important to balance all the resources. No, if you are weak in a particular subject, what do? You study that subject, no, right? If you don't like social sciences, or if you don't like math, or if you don't like science, English, Hindi, whatever, you give extra time to that subject because you want to score good, right? Same is the thing, no? If a country may a certain part is lacking in some resources, then it is our responsibility to plan out those resources and to provide resource to that country. अब resource planning में ना there are various steps involved. The first step is to identify the resources, है ना? The first step is to identify the resources. So what happened? Inventory. Inventory is how much amount of resource you have, right? इसके लिए we do surveys in the entire country. We roam from one state to another, we roam from one city to another, and we check it out that which city or which state has what type of resources. We do surveys, we make maps, we check out the quality and the quantity of those resources. ठीक है, एक बार जब हमें पता चल गया that what resources the country has, what all resources we are rich in, then we start our planning, right? Then the planning starts. We check it out whether we have the technology, whether we have the skill or not, right? So we check out whether or not we have the technology or skill to use those resources, right? Once एक बार पता चल गया कि bro we have the technology as well as the skill to use those resources, then we match the resources with our development plan. Imagine the country has enough amount of coal, right? We have enough amount of coal in the country, but we don't require coal for now. अभी हमें coal की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Then what is the use of extracting that coal? No, nothing, no? So we check it out कि the resources that we have found in various states, do we need those resources now or do we have to keep them for future generation? ठीक है, so we matched our development plans कि what all resources we need now and what all resources we will need in future, and according to that we check it out कि कौन सा resource अभी निकालेंगे, कौन सा संभाल के रखेंगे, right? ये जो रिसोर्स प्लानिंग था ना, India was a wise country. India is a very intelligent country, just like us people, right? So we know very early, at a very early age, we got to know that कि भैया resource planning तो करनी पड़ेगी. We have to do the resource planning, right? So the first 5-year plan of India that was launched after the independence of India, in that first 5-year plan only, we introduce the resource planning. ठीक है, तो पहले 5 year plan में ही the then prime minister of the country he involved the resource planning. ठीक है, उन्होंने resource planning को involve कर लिया था. Okay. See, resources, they are very essential for the development of a country, for the development of an individual, right? They are very important. ऐसी condition में absence of technology, absence of knowledge can hinder the development of the country. Country के लिए, for the progress of the country, resources are very vital. Consider the Gulf countries. Dubai, United Arab Emirates, right? Consider United Arab Emirates, right? Why are the Gulf countries progressing? Because they have enormous amount of petrol, right? And with the help of that petrol, they are developing. So for the development of a country, resources are required. ठीक है, country में in a country there are various reasons which will have enormous amount of resources, and there will be reasons where you'll find no resources. ठीक है, so you'll have poor resource cities, poor resource states also, and you have states which are rich in resources as well. ठीक है, तो देखो तुम्हें पता ही है ओवर यूटिलाइजेशन ने बहुत प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करी है. वी हैव ओवर यूज द रिसोर्सेज एंड दिस हैज लेड टू वेरियस प्रॉब्लम्स इन आवर कंट्री, एंड आवर लीडर्स, आवर थिंकर्स from the past, they knew about this problem. उन्हें पहले ही पता था that this problem is gonna arise over there. ठीक है, गांधी जी said one thing, that there is enough for everybody's need and not for anybody's greed. He said that country mein there are enough resources for the need of the people, but if the people will become greedy and will exploit resources, then no one can save us. Then we cannot look for the progress and for the development of the country. He was against mass production and he wanted to replace it with production by the masses. He wanted that, things should not be produced in abundance, in large number. In fact, large number of people should come together and they should produce various things. Chalo, most awaited section tumhara. Okay, so what is the main reason behind global ecological crises such as global warming and environmental pollution? Option A, depletion of resources. Option B, accumulation of resources in few hands. Option C, indiscriminate exploitation of resources. Or option D, use of resource. And your time starts now. Okay. Aditya, Krishnan, Gaurav, Nandini, Tharun, Nedi, Bharat, Sanjeevni, Shriti, Priyanshu. पर मुझे ये क्या देखने को मिल रहा है? Only 13% with the right answer. That was accumulation of. नहीं, तुम ठीक हो people. You people are right. That is indiscriminate exploitation of resources. Right. So yeah, I go for it. The correct option for this one is option number C. Right. That's the correct option. Okay, next one. So the next one is, what is necessary for sustained quality of life and global peace? For living a good life and for global peace. That is, no one should fight with each other. What is important for that? Option A, stopping the use of resources. Option B, saving the resources for future. Option C, exploitation of resources. Or option D, equitable distribution of resources. What do you feel? Your time starts now. Confusing है थोड़ा सा, but I guess you can do it. You might get confused between two options over here. But I believe तरक्की तुम कर सकते हो। Okay, so B2K, Priyanshu, Nidhi, Shubhranshu, Vani, Apurva, Tharun, Hari, Bharat, and Vamsi. Got the right answer, 37.5 with the right answer. That was saving resources for future. Right. I believe, yes, this is a confusing one. You get confused between option number B and D, equitable distribution of resources and saving resources for future. Right. But yeah, this one goes for saving resources for future. D भी correct होगा वैसे इसका. Confusing questions. Chalo, next one. From which 5-year plan has India made concerned efforts for achieving the goals of resource planning? First 5-year plan, fifth 5-year plan, annual plans or 10th 5-year plan. And your time starts now. ये तो बहुत आसान है. Okay. So, Krishnan, Priyanshu, Nidhi, Nandini, Gaurav, Aditya, Anupama, Sanjeevni, and Aparna made it to the fastest finger list. 75% with the right answer. That is first 5-year plan. 1951 was the year. Right? Chalo. Next one. Which of the following is the root cause of resource depletion at global level according to Gandhiji? Option A, conservation of resources. Option B, use of resources. Option C, greedy and selfish individuals and exploitive nature of modern technology. Or option D, backward technology. And your time starts now. Come on, let the ready on, let's ride it. And I won't be alone. And if I am to my big phone, for I demand that I won't be alone. It's the gunshot, but the gunshot. Okay, so Gaurav, Krishnan, Bharat, Apurva, Vamsi, Anupama, Mahfuz, Aparna, Priyanshu, and Nandini made it to the fastest finger list. 96% with the right answer. That is option C, greedy and selfish individuals and exploitative nature of modern technology. Right. अच्छा, अब थोड़ा सा बात कर लेते हैं about land resources. ठीक है, किसके बारे में? लैंड रिसोर्सेज के बारे में. ओके, देखो, तुम्हें पता है लैंड इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिसोर्स. आई मीन इफ लैंड विल नॉट बी देयर, वेयर विल वी लिव? राइट. अब हमारे पास तो हैरी पॉटर वाला मैजिक है नहीं, नो दैट वी कैन बिल्ड अ हॉगवर्ट्स सिटी. डेफिनेटली नॉट. हमें तो लैंड में ही रहना है. वी हैव टू लिव ऑन लैंड ओनली. वी हैव टू डू ऑल आवर कंस्ट्रक्शन on land, cultivation, agriculture. For everything we require land. Air mein to we cannot do anything, no. So land is a very important natural resource for the human beings, which supports vegetation, wildlife, economic activities, human life, transport, communication, everything. ठीक है. India में you will find a variety of relief features in this land. You will find high mountains, right? You will find plain areas. Then you will find plateaus as well, right? Mountains are like amazingly high, like this. Plain areas, you know, ऐसे. और plateaus हल्के से raised होते हैं, right? They are, मतलब, they have a little height, not very much, but they have a little height. 43% of the land area in India is plain. ठीक है, that is used for agriculture, for construction, for industries, factories, etc. 30% में you have mountain, forest, resources, tourism, घूमने जाते हैं ना, tourism, ecology, everything के लिए they are important. 27% में you find plateaus. Plateaus में you can find minerals, right? Metals, mineral like coal and everything you'll find in the plateau region, and fossil fuels. This you'll find in the plateau region. So all these are very, very, very important. ठीक है. लैंड यूटिलाइजेशन की बात करें तो द लैंड इन इंडिया इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू वेरियस फैक्टर. जैसे वी हैव लश ग्रीन फॉरेस्ट, जंगल, भरे पूरे हरे भरे जंगल वी हैव, राइट? सो वी हैव लश ग्रीन फॉरेस्ट इन इंडिया. Then you have land which is not available for cultivation, right? You have that land, but that land cannot be used for agriculture process. Why? दो रीजन है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आइदर द लैंड इज अ वेस्ट लैंड, बैरन लैंड, दैट कितना भी पानी दे दो, कितना भी मैन्योर दे दो, बट नथिंग विल ग्रो ओवर दैट लैंड. सेकेंड वन इज दैट the land has been used for construction. Buildings, roads, factories have been made over that land. Definitely you cannot use that land for cultivation. No. Then you have other uncultivated land. ठीक है. Other uncultivated land में you have the land which have been converted into pastures or grazing land, right? The land was there, but now that land is only used by animals for grazing. ठीक है. अच्छा, when you go on a road trip, जब तुम road trip पे जाते हो ना, then you find that particularly there are some regions where you have trees on both sides of the road. On both sides of the roads there are plenty of trees. Who do you think have grown those trees? किसने उगाए हैं? किसी ने भी नहीं, right? You know about this that animals and winds, they carrying seed with them. Due to these factors, due to nature and everything, those trees, they automatically grew over this region. So they are your miscellaneous tree groves. Last you have culturable wasteland. ठीक है. कल्चरेबल वेस्टलैंड क्या होती है ना, ह्यूमन बींग्स जबरदस्ती अपनी हरकतों से लैंड को वेस्टलैंड बनाया है, राइट? सो दैट लैंड इट वाज गुड इनफ फॉर कल्टीवेशन, बट human beings left that land uncultivated for more than 5 agriculture years. For more than 5 agriculture years, the land was left uncultivated, and now nothing can be grown because the land has lost all the fertility, right? Because of soil erosion, because of water erosion, wind erosion, land has lost all the fertility. Now nothing can be grown. तो अपनी हरकतों की वजह से it is a culturable wasteland. ठीक है. Okay. Fallow land. Fallow land में you have two types of land, current fallow, other than current fallow. उसके बाद culturable wasteland आती है. ठीक है. Current fallow क्या होता है? Land which have been left uncultivated for 1 or less than 1 year. If you leave the land uncultivated for 1 or less than 1 year, that is your fallow land. Farmers do it so that the land can regain its fertility. ठीक है. They do it on purpose. Then you have other than current fallow land. Other than current fallow land में the land is left uncultivated for 1 to 5 agriculture year. 1 से लेकर 5 साल तक the land was left uncultivated. After 5 years, it becomes unculturable wasteland. ठीक है. लास्ट पीपल, यू हैव नेट जोन एरिया इन दिस. नेट जोन एरिया क्या होता है? नेट जोन एरिया इज द टोटल एरिया ऑन विच क्रॉप्स आर ग्रोन. ठीक है. सो द टोटल एरिया ऑन विच यू ग्रो क्रॉप्स, दैट इज योर नेट जोन एरिया, राइट? देखो, इन 1 ईयर, राइट, इफ यू हैव 1 पीस ऑफ लैंड, ठीक है, तुम्हारे पास में एक पीस ऑफ लैंड है, एंड यू सपोज इसका एरिया है 200 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर. बहुत छोटा एरिया है पर मान नहीं, बहुत बड़ा एरिया, राइट? मीटर स्क्वायर, मीटर मान लो, राइट? सो सपोज द एरिया ऑफ दिस फील्ड इज 200 मीटर स्क्वायर. ठीक है. नेट जोन एरिया कितना होगा? 200 मीटर स्क्वायर. बट यू आर अ इंटेलिजेंट फार्मर. तुम ना एक बहुत इंटेलिजेंट फार्मर हो. यू आर एन इंटेलिजेंट फार्मर. सो यू ग्रो crops in this land 2 times in a year. एक साल में 2 times you grow 2 different crops in this land. So, right, पहले तुमने इसी लैंड को एक बार कल्टीवेट किया, देन द सेम लैंड यू कल्टीवेटेड इट वंस अगेन. So the net sown area becomes 400 meter square, right? So if you cultivate the same piece of land twice or thrice, then the net sown area adds up. Got it? Easy है, कुछ नहीं है. ठीक है, ओके चलो. प्रॉमिस लास्ट टॉपिक है. प्रॉमिस लैंड यूज पैटर्न इन इंडिया. ठीक है, देखो लैंड यूज पैटर्न का क्या मतलब है, दैट वेदर दैट लैंड कैन बी यूज फॉर एग्रीकल्चर, फॉर कल्टीवेशन और नॉट. ठीक है, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन टू फैक्टर्स, फिजिकल एंड ह्यूमन. फिजिकल फैक्टर्स में योर टोपोग्राफी, क्लाइमेट, सॉइल टाइप्स आते हैं. ठीक है, कंसिडर द एग्जांपल ऑफ राजस्थान. राजस्थान में यू कैन नॉट ग्रो क्रॉप्स, नो. हमें तुम्हें पता है, राइट? इन द इनर पार्ट्स ऑफ राजस्थान डेजर्ट एरिया क्रॉप्स कैन नॉट बी ग्रोन. Why? No rainfall, no sunlight तो है, sorry. No rainfall, no proper soil, मतलब not so fertile soil, no rainfall. How can we grow crop over there? But are humans responsible for it? No. That region has a certain type of climate, a certain type of condition, and we cannot grow anything over it, right? These are your physical factors. Second one is your human factors. The greedy human, they exploit it. मतलब sorry. ठीक है, ह्यूमन फैक्टर्स पर भी इट डिपेंड, राइट? जैसे पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी, टेक्नोलॉजिकल कैपेबिलिटी, कल्चर, ट्रेडिशन, राइट. जैसे कि इफ सपोज यू कंसिडर द एग्जांपल ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश. उत्तर प्रदेश में यू नो मेनी पीपल्स आर लिविंग, राइट? उत्तर प्रदेश का पॉपुलेशन इज क्वाइट हाई, राइट? अब उत्तर प्रदेश has the highest population in India, मतलब state wise, right? It has the highest population in India. अब in that area, land will automatically reduce. No, land area under cultivation will automatically reduce because people are living. They need land for houses also. They need land for cultivation also. उसके बाद भी उत्तर प्रदेश इज डूइंग अमेजिंगली वेल. अच्छा खासा क्रॉप हो रहा है. ठीक है, टेक्नोलॉजी, कल्चर, मेनी थिंग्स पर इट डिपेंड. इंडिया का टोटल जोग्राफिकल एरिया इज 3.28 मिलियन स्क्वायर किलोमीटर, यू नो इट, राइट? लेकिन हमारे पास जो डेटा है ना, इट इज ओनली ऑफ 93% of that area. We have the data only for 93% of the area. You know why? क्योंकि इंडिया का certain parts of Kashmir, they are with China and Pakistan. पता है ना? This over here, if this is your Kashmir, this part is with Pakistan and this part is with China. Definitely we cannot go to China and Kashmir to check the land. ठीक है, तो हम नहीं जा सकते. So and similarly some of your northeastern states में Assam के अलावा we don't have the data for any other state, right? Northeastern states में mostly the tribal people and all are living. Tribal people, they don't allow anyone to enter in their area and the government respects this. ठीक है, ट्राइबल एरियाज में एंट्री बैंड होती है, राइट? गवर्नमेंट ऑल्सो रिस्पेक्ट्स दिस. यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू एंटर द ट्राइबल रीजन्स. Only if those people permit, only then you can enter those areas. So in areas का land data we don't have, right? So according to the land data जो हमारे पास में है, land under pasture, grazing land, it is decreasing. ठीक है, current fallow land के अलावा, right? Most of the current fallow land, most of the other than current fallow land, it is of very bad quality. Other than current fallow कौन सा था? Land which was left uncultivated for 1 to 5 years, right? So most of the other than current fallow land, no, it is of very bad quality, and this is the reason we cannot grow crops over there. ठीक है, और कुछ ऐसे land areas हैं which the farmer cultivate for like मतलब various land areas are there which the farmers cultivate once or twice in like 3 years and 4 years. मतलब 2 से 3 सालों में the land is cultivated once or twice. They are included in the net sown area of the country. India का net sown area is only 54%. बहुत अच्छा अमाउंट नहीं है ये, right? Okay. ये देखो, there are certain states in India, like your Punjab and Haryana, where 80% of the total area is being used for cultivation. But then you have Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Manipur, Andaman and Nicobar, where only 10% or less than 10% of the land is being used for your cultivation. तो बहुत ज्यादा ना differentiation है. And the last one is forest. India में the National Forest Policy of India, right? The National Forest Policy of India 1952, it says that India should have 33% of the land area under forest. 33% of the land area of India should be under forest. But in our country, only 27 to 28% of the land area is under forest, and that is a problem because forests are essential for the resources that the human needs, right? According to the population, it is compulsory that 33% of the land should be under forest, लेकिन हमारे पास नहीं है. Only 27 to 28% of the land area is under forest. Okay, people, I'll not bore you more. Chapter end करते हैं question के साथ. So the question is, which of the following reason in India possesses rich reserves of mineral and fossil fuels? Option A, plains, B, mountains, C, plateaus, and D, deserts. And your time starts now. Krishna, बच्चा, I'm answering your question. हाँ, अभी आंसर कर रही हूँ आपके क्वेश्चन का. You have asked me, no, if we can separate H2 and O2 in electrolysis, then why do we place it in stock? अभी बता रहे, don't worry, ये भी बताएंगे. तुमने पूछा है तो हमें तो बताना ही पड़ेगा. I'm just kidding. Huh? Answering, okay? Okay, so we have Nidhi, Krishnan, Gaurav, Anupama, Sanjeevni, Yash, Apurva, Mehfooz, Mehek, and Kevin over the fastest finger list. 67% with the right answer. That is plateaus. Okay, so plateaus are there. Chalo, next one. Next one is, what is the area sown more than once in an agriculture year plus net sown area known as? Option A, permanent pasture, B, fallow land, C, net sown area, or D, cross cropped area. And your time starts now. Okay, so there we have Nidhi, Yash, Gaurav, Anupama, Bharat, Sanjeevni, Dipanshu, Priyanshu, Krishna, and Vamsi. On the fastest finger list, 65% with the right answer. That was option number C. Sorry, D. Gross cropped area, right? So the area sown more than once in an agricultural year plus net sown area is known as what? Gross cropped area. Okay, so that's your leaderboard, people. We have Nidhi, Gaurav, Dipanshu, Sanjeevni, Bharat, Mehfooz, Apurva, Krishnan, Anupama, Mehek, Nandini, Priyanshu, Aparna, one more Nandini, and Kunal on the leaderboard. Pretty amazing, pretty amazing, pretty amazing. अब पहले मैं कृष्णन के क्वेश्चन का आंसर कर देती हूँ. Krishna asked me if we can separate H2 and O2 in electrolysis, then why it is placed in stock? Krishna beta, we are talking of H2 and O2 for atomic energy. Atomic energy के लिए you require lots of H2 and O2. For separating H2 and O2 by electrolysis, you need electricity, that too in great amount. For generating one resource, depleting another resource is not a choice. ठीक है, एक रिसोर्स बनाने के लिए दूसरा रिसोर्स डिप्लीट नहीं कर सकते हैं. We need atomic energy for producing electricity, right? Ab, with the help of electricity, when we will separate the atoms, then we'll generate atomic energy. It's of no use, right? Okay. Ritika, what happened to your finger? अरे रितिका, long time no see, बड़े दिनों बाद मिल रही हो रितिका. रितिका, फिंगर में ना वो ऐसा कट आ गया था तो फिर उसमें ऐसे स्टिचेस लग गए. Ma'am, what is your Telegram ID? Okay. बेटा क्योंकि ना दिस इज अ माइक्रो कोर्स बेटा, दिस इस बेटा इसमें मैसेज कर दो दियोलिया में एंड आई लेट यू नो माय टेलीग्राम आईडी, राइट? मेरा नाम नहीं आया, इशिता कोई नहीं ना, नेक्स्ट टाइम। Uh, Veera Rakesh बेटा, I tried to make the chapter easy, but okay. लेकिन क्या है ना, this is a micro course. Micro course में you have very less sessions dedicated. I have only 2 sessions for this chapter. That is why ज़्यादा एक session में करना पड़ता है, no? Yes, electrolysis is very costly. Love you too, Ratika. 28. Thank you, Nidhi. Bye bye. Thank you. Dipanshu, I am from Haldwani. Haldwani. Yes, Yash. Thank you, Nandini. Bye, Sanjeevni. Thank you, Ishita. Ritika, I know that you are attending my long term. Ishita, thank you. Ritika, love you too. थैंक यू वानी। टेलीग्राम आईडी बेटा वो देखो ऊपर है, अपूर्व दियोलिया, इस पर मैसेज कर दो और तुम्हें मिल जाएगी टेलीग्राम आईडी। थैंक यू वैभव, थैंक यू इशिता। Thank you. Take care. You too. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. It shows Disha Diulia. No, Mahima Diulia. ये दिशा दियोलिया कौन आ गई? You have to @ Diyolia. One and only यार मैं ही आती थी कल तक तो। Thank you, Ishita. No, it's not showing. How can this happen? Oops, Vani. वही मेरे को महिमा दियोलिया से दिशा दियोलिया बना दिया। बाय कृष्णन। अरे यार किसी के पास है क्या टेलीग्राम आईडी, वो जो कंबाइंड ग्रुप है उसका? इफ समवन हैज इट, प्लीज 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 प्रोवाइड इट। ठीक है यार, नहीं यार ऐसा नहीं हो सकता। गुड नाइट इशिता, गुड नाइट, टेक केयर। Malia ma'am, Preeti ma'am, thank you so much for the extreme support in the entire session. And teachers, definitely you can leave the session. How to join the long-term batch? Samriddhi, यार इसका तो यार Vedantu can help you how to join the long-term batch. I actually don't know the process of it. Thank you, Vani. Okay, so people, I cleared all your confusions, I believe. Yeah, Ritika is there. Right, Naya batch, Ishita. Oh, Ishita, we killed it. सॉरी यार, मेरे को ऐसे करते रहने की आदत है, मतलब मेरे को ना ऐसे शांति से बैठा ही नहीं जाता है। आई एम टू इन लॉन्ग टर्म। आप हो गए? कौन सा नया बैच यार, मेरे को पता भी नहीं है। कोई नया बैच स्टार्ट होने वाला है क्या? 10C, you have long term course, ma'am. No. 10C I don't have. Oh, thank you, Ishita. I have 10E and 10F. 10 का I have E and F. But I cannot sit quietly, no. ऐसा मेरे को ना ऐसा अंदर से ऐसा खुजली होने लगता है। नो कृष्ण, आई डोंट सिंग गुड, इतना मेरे को पता है। ओप्स, रॉन्ग गैस। कोई नहीं वानी, स्प्रिंग्स। ओके पीपल, देखो आई सिंग, ऐसा ना मेरे को गाने गाते रहने की आदत है। इन द एंटायर सेशन आई एम सिंगिंग, बट माय वॉइस इज नॉट गुड। लाइक आई डोंट हैव द नॉलेज ऑफ सुर एंड ताल। श्रुति सिंह, अनम्यूट मी। लो श्रुति, कर दिया अनम्यूट। तुम कहो तो वीडियो भी दिखा दे। श्रुति कर, रुको, हाँ बोलने, रुको अभी मत बोलना, अब बोलो श्रुति। वैभव तभी तो, दिस इज वेदांतु। You have many sections. Like a bacha. Oh, that's great. That's cute. Shruti, I unmuted you. बोलो कुछ। हाय तो बोलो कम से कम। श्रुति, 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 why aren't you speaking something? Oops, Ishita, thank you. श्रुति आई कैन नॉट पीपल। श्रुति का आवाज आ रहा है क्या? मेरे लैपटॉप में गड़बड़ हो गई क्या? थैंक यू अपर्णा। मैम प्लीज सिंग अ सॉन्ग फॉर अस। या जो काम मेरे को नहीं आता तुम मुझसे वही काम करवाते हो ना, तुम लोग बहुत। मे बी नेटवर्क इश्यूज, मे बी श्रुति। यस, थैंक गॉड। मेरे को लगा मेरा लैपटॉप गया। वानी, गाने के अलावा कुछ भी बोल दो, मतलब गाना ना आई सिंग ऑटोमेटिकली बिटवीन, तुम्हें पता ही है। लेकिन जैसे तुम ऐसे मेरे को बोल देते हो ना कि मैम गाना गाओ, फिर मेरे को लगता है यार अपने को गाना गाना नहीं आता। लोग कृष्णन तुमको भी अनम्यूट कर देते हैं, वैसे भी मेरा सेशन नहीं है, मेरे तो
हेलो
सारे।
मैम।
हाय वैभव, मैंने आज काजल नहीं लगाया, अदरवाइज आई वुड हैव रिमूव द स्पेक्स। बिना काजल लगाए माय आईज डोंट लुक नाइस।
हेलो मैम।
हाय हाय कृष्णन।
कैसे हो मैम?
बिल्कुल बढ़िया, तुम कैसे हो?
आई एम ऑल फाइन।
सो कृष्णन, आई अनम्यूटेड यू, अब बताओ तुम्हें क्या बोलना था।
मैम कुछ नहीं मैम, ऐसे ही एक क्या बोलूं,
अमेजिंग पीपल ना।
ऐसे ही बात
आई हैव
करनी थी।
अमेजिंग स्टूडेंट्स। ओके।
और क्या चल रहा है मैम?
ओह माय गॉड, माय किड्स आर आस्किंग मी क्या चल रहा है। यार अगर क्या चल रहा है पूछोगे ना, बहुत बुरा चल रहा है, मतलब ऐसा फिंगर में बहुत दर्द हो रहा है और ये सही नहीं हो रहा है, इसको 2 हफ्ता हो गया है। एंड और नींद बहुत आ रही है, पढ़ने का मन नहीं करता है।
ओके मैम, बाय मैम, आप जाके सो जाओ मैम।
बाय। डू यू नो हाउ टू डांस अपर्णा? यस, स्मार्ट टीचर्स हैव स्मार्ट स्टूडेंट्स। वानी डेफिनेटली। अब ये मत कहना कि मैम डांस ओवर देयर, ये मत बोलना हाँ। लाइक आई कैन ओनली डांस लाइक दिस राइट नाउ। कोई भरोसा नहीं ना, यू पीपल विल बी लाइक मैम डांस। ओके सो क्यूट किड्स, डू यू हैव anything else to say? So over here I guess हमने कितना 7 minutes extra we have extended the session. Love doing studies, Ritika. Oh, that's so cute, love you. Okay, on that note people, thank you. On that note people, I'll end the session ma'am with song you like. I like मतलब बहुत सारे songs. I like memories, I like चांद तारे तोड़ लाऊं, I like बहुत सारे old songs, and then I like your उसका क्या है वो, Rose for Epona, I like Viva La Vida। मतलब ऐसा songs तो मेरा ऐसा ना, ऐसा veins में blood के बदले songs ही बहते हैं। Please, bye Vani। Yes, definitely, definitely, in fact I am also leaving। जो भी चाहूं वो मैं पाऊं, जिंदगी में जीत जाऊं, चांद तारे तोड़ लाऊं, सारी दुनिया पर मैं छाऊं, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है। वॉइस नहीं, सुर बहुत बेकार है मेरा, सुर आई डोंट गेट द सुर। वेन एवर आई सिंग माई ब्रदर इज लाइक डू एवरीथिंग, डोंट एवर सिंग इन योर लाइफ, डोंट एवर। बट स्टिल यू नो, सुर नहीं आता। चलो, सो आई कंप्लीटेड योर वेशा, यू आस्क्ड मी, आई डिड इट। When is your birthday? My sister sings amazing. अरे यार, people have the quality. My birthday 13th April. Thank you Aparna। माई बर्थडे बेटा 14th अप्रैल, विश कर देना अगर भूलोगे नहीं तो। ओके चलो, on that note let us end the session। good night, take care। that's the telegram id, you can connect over there anytime you want। कुछ भी डिस्कस कर सकते हो, ठीक है? जिंदगी, क्वेश्चन, सवाल, एवरीथिंग। बाय बाय पीपल, बाय बाय। बाय, गुड नाइट।